Mass extinction is wrong. There's no right to that. Hopefully you understand increasing pollution will be bad. So the answer here would be introducing a genetically altered species. Because you never know what that'll do. Whenever you introduce a new species, some other species dies out. That could be good, that could be bad. Number two, most useful change made to crops. So useful is good. So looking for a good thing. And the answer would be, drum roll, would be C. If crops can resist more diseases, farmers can grow more of them using less resources. That's good for everybody. Look at these questions now. Which are most closely related to biotechnology? So I'm gonna think it must be medical, agricultural, or food production or industrial. So A, there you go. There's A. Um, what application of biotechnology is of the greatest economic benefit to North Carolina? So money. We talked about that. This whole thing about money comes from, okay, if farmers are making more money, if the citizens of North Carolina are making more money, that's good for everybody. So would it be the development of livestock that are more domesticated? Oh, that might be good. Ooh, that produce higher quality meat. So the answer for this one would actually be D. Because in North Carolina we do have a winter. So if we develop crops, which are plants that can grow in winter, we can extend our growing period, which means farmers can now make more money. The cost of food goes down. That's better for everybody. This is a level 4 question, so every answer actually makes sense, but there's only one right answer. Pause the video and really look at this question, please. So this one is which is the concern of scientists when genetically altering or modifying plants. So we're modifying it genetically. Um, and if you remember from your first questions, we talk about the loss of biodiversity. Whenever you introduce or you make animals the same, okay? The problem is that now you lose that diversity, and that can have a really bad effect on the ecosystem. This one is an easy one. I'm gonna let you figure it out on your own. Hopefully you pick the right answer. So here's the deal. We looked at all these things. Please look up your vocabulary words. This is a short unit, but the questions are very, very tricky. You have to understand this relationship between what biotechnology does and what we benefit from it. What are the good, what are the bad. We've done 4 different assignments. We've talked about cloning. We've talked about the ethics of it. We talked about, you've done your ed puzzle on forensics, so you understand there's some crime solving stuff involved in this as well, with the DNA and the fingerprinting. So take your time. Go over all the stuff we've done. You can go back to your quizzes. If you log back in, that's why I made you log in, you can actually see those answers. Go over your Quizlet. Look over your content, guys. I expect y'all to do well tomorrow. It's only 10 questions, so I expect the best. See y'all tomorrow.